WT0512, Emeline Tanhay, 32 years old, single, vocational caregiver, 6 years experience, housemaid nanny in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, I'm Emeline Tanhay. I'm 32 years of age, single. I have 10 siblings, 5 sisters and 5 brothers. My father died last 2007 and my mother is only a housekeeper.
How many hours travel going to Manila?
1 hour.
Tell me something about your housemaid experience in the Philippines.
Okay, I do cleaning the house, like the kitchen, the living room, the bedroom, and their surroundings. And I do also wash the feeding bottles, taking care of newborn, and preparing their food.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Not so, only a shumai, and I am willing to learn.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about the elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, I wash my hands, and then sterilize the bottles. 15 minutes after the boiling point, give the nipple, and 30 minutes the bottles. And then prepare their milk 1:1.
Okay.
And it depends but the teacher.
Okay. If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
Oh, I check their diaper. Maybe it is wet, and then maybe she or he is not comfort. Maybe he has a fever.
Okay. If the baby has fever, what will you do?
I will call the employer what the baby happened, and then I check their vital sign, their temperature, and then if the employer told me, I send her to the nearest hospital.
Okay. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I only watching TV, or else I chatting with friends.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No, ma'am.
What will you do?
I'll do sending money and call them that they don't worry about me.
What could you teach the children?
Only good moral values and the basic tutorial, like how to write their letters,
Then,
how to sing, and I can play with them also.
how long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
Till my employers want me to stay there.
Then?
I choose Hong Kong because I believe that the people there is respectful, and Hong Kong is a peaceful country.
Give your message to Bison employer.
Hi, madam, sir. I hope you choose me as your worker there. I believe that I have the capability to work there in Hong Kong, and I can assure you that I can do all the household chores.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.